What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Good afternoon, Mr. NEWLINK. First, let me say, congratulations on your program on YouTube, I'm a regular listener. I'm also a subscriber to your platform. So please forgive me, because I feel a little bit under the weather. It's not COVID-19, sure, but please forgive me. As I was saying, we have this hotel in Jamaica where I renovate right now. They might do some new construction and something. The hotel is in Montego Bay, real hotel in Montego Bay, right? So they have some mechanical work down there, meaning plumbing work and electrical work. For me, I am a plumber. I have been doing plumbing work here, in this hotel here for roughly 15 years now. 13, 15, between 13 and 15 years now. Right, so they are renovating the hotel in Montego Bay, Rio Montego Bay. So the other day, me and some of my colleagues, we went down there, to acquire about jobs, because of the situation with the COVID-19. Jobs is kind of limited on the island right now. Jobs is kind of limited and scarce on the island right now. And most of my colleagues, they home, because, as I'm saying, because of the COVID-19, jobs is kind of limited. So when we went down to the hotel, trying to acquire some jobs, some work, they told us, we saw some Dominicans, because it's Dominicans doing the work, some Spanish people doing the work. I don't know if they're all Dominicans or mixed with people from Spain or Mexico, but it's all Spanish people doing the plumbing work. And when we acquire, when we make checks, they told us that they're not using any Jamaican to do the work, they're just using Dominicans. And I mean, yeah, we know the pandemic and the situation. I am saying that it's not like we don't want any Dominicans or anybody else to get any work, but we Jamaicans here, we can do the job. We're here, we can do the job, we don't have any work. And they're telling me that it's only Dominican they're going to use to do the work, and it is Jamaica. We're in Jamaica, not Dominica, we're in Jamaica. And they're telling us that they're only using Dominican to do the work. They're not giving Jamaicans no work. Here in Jamaica, the other day I heard that there was about 30 of them come down from Dominica. And if they come from Dominica, they went straight to work. They didn't even quarantine. They went straight to work. 30 of Dominicans come to Jamaica to do plumbing work. And we have a lot of plumbers here who are not working. A lot of plumbers here who are not working. If it's even to do some labor work. Because a lot of people here are not working. Even laborer they have. Dominican laborer. Dominican people driving their trucks. People here can do those little work. You understand what I'm saying? So I would appreciate it, I tell you the truth. I would appreciate it if you could use your platform, to bring light to the situation, because it is not right. Do you think we can go to Dominica and tell them that we're not using any Dominicans to do the work, we're only using Jamaicans to do the work? Do you think we could have done that? You think we could have done that? You must be crazy. I see how they do the Asians. There, couple, I think it was last year. I see how they did the Asians, people who were even born in Dominica. They were chasing them out of their own country, telling them to go back to Haiti. You think we could have gone to Dominica and tell them that we're not going to use any Dominica, we're only using Jamaicans to do the work in Dominica? You must be crazy. So I really hope this message gets you. I really hope this message gets you, because I tell you the truth, I really hope you could have used your platform to shine some light on the situation, because it's unfair. It's not fair to us here. It's not fair to us here. I know you understand what I am saying, Mr. NEWLINK. I know you understand what I'm saying. As I was saying, I'm not saying that the Dominicans should not get any work. Yeah. Yes, if they have placement for 30 people, use 10 Dominicans and 20 Jamaicans. I use 15 Dominicans and 15 Jamaicans, but you can't use all Dominicans to do the work and tell us in Jamaica that you're not going to use any Dominicans to do any Jamaicans to do the work. And another thing, when you go on the site, most of the site them right now, when you go on them, is only Chinese. pure Chinese, and they're doing the what they call it now, the class work in the construction, where Jamaicans are only doing labor work, and there are people here who can do the work. You go up on the site, it's pure Chinese and pure Dominican. Pure white man have the top paying job, the supervisor work, the managerial work is only Chinese and Dominican, white people, Spanish people. Jamaican don't have those positions. Jamaica don't have those positions. We only do labor work, you know. We only do labor work, you know. We only do labor work. So I am asking you, please, if you could use your platform, I will really appreciate it. You know, and thank you for your time. I wish you all success. I wish you all success in life. You know, I wish your channel flourish and grow, because God knows it has done. Whether you like it or not, I don't think about it. Your channel has done a lot for Jamaica. It shine a lot of light on things that happen in Jamaica, whether you know it or not. You know, so in closing out, I would like to say thanks to you for listening to what I have to say, you know, and I really hope that you could lend a hand to a fellow Jamaican. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, Mr. NEWLINK.
Yes, people.
First, let me
understand. So, this is now, people. Seeing, to show you the rate of what Jamaica going with right now. Seeing, and hear this man attack from down in St. James, down in Montego Bay. Seeing, Mobay, which the Minister of Tourism is from Mobay, constituency down in Mobay. You have Orius Chang from down in Mobay, two stalwarts them in the party in power right now, which is the Jamaica Labour Party. And this is the corruption that's been going on right now. I'm not going to say Jamaica can't bring in people for the work people, but when it come on to a country like Jamaica, who is not desperate for workers, who have so much people down there who are dying for work, who have so much trade, who learn so much trade from then to now, and can't find job people. And they have bringing these people now, especially even in a time like now when COVID is rocking and tearing up the place, especially in the Dominican Republic. And that's why you have the plane who come the other day and they tell about 12 persons from DR tested positive for COVID. You understand, after a flight come from DR. You know what I mean? DR have almost 80,000 of cases, over 1,000 a death over there with COVID. And this is what they're doing. Bringing in these workers, as the man said, him sound real truthful, don't people? Bring in the worker, boom, go straight to work, no quarantine, nothing. See? Big risk for the people, and me understand people. Rio Hotel is a Spanish chain of hotel, and they will go for the cheaper people. See? Like the Mexican, like the Dominican, because these people work cheaper than the money when they have to pay Jamaican. It's truth. See? And they do go for them. And while they have the Jamaicans, how can you allow this to happen in our country? I can say no Jamaicans work. Eh? No Jamaicans. On a crazy, on a lick in a head. Mr. Wellness, Minister of Labour and Social whatever, Minister of Tourism, Minister of Transport, Minister everybody on need to step in for the people them down at Jamaica. You need to step in because the people them need money, the people them need work. Zine? And that's why enough of the man then gonna rob and thief. And that's why crime gets so big, because of this corruption we are going on there. These are the corruption that cause a lot of things to happen to people, and sometimes we think and we wonder, we should know say wrong for man and go thief, you understand? But look the people, imagine you have your trade sit down pan, you can't find no work because people, lot of house we are built at Jamaica, people overseas are build them. Lot of people overseas not working now, so people are local yard to build house too, but them still not get the income where they used to get. People house for them and pass, so no work for the man who can go up on the construction site. And you are going to tell me say a big dirty thinking hotel like Rio Dona Mobile now have big construction work a go on. Yes, me talk dirty patwa now. A big construction work a go on now. And who know of the people from Jamaica, from yard, and I go tell them say now, so there's no work for them. You understand? You not you Want a earthquake come and lick down the structure wanna start, you know. Me no want nothing damage the people, me about lick down the structure wanna that, you know what? Uno too wicked and cruel. Uno give the Jamaicans them work. Rio hotel chain, Rio, uno give the yardie them work. The yardie them do need work. Give the people them work. Stop set back the people them. The people have themselves to feed, they have their family to feed, and they have everybody to take care of. Give the people them work. And Syria will be an attack for Uno. Straight attack for Uno. No joke thing. And me know saying that this thing, people, you have a few Jamaicans who done their work, and because they maybe get this as a local position now. Them are the same one who are borrow them one Jamaican people. You see, we one like Uno, attack for Uno. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Attack them, the man. Attack. Oh, no, so wicked and cruel. Uno go tell my Jamaican people them now, both of them can't work. Uno lick on the head. I want to tell my people them this. Say they can't work. That not possible at Jamaica. You know, crazy. That fi happen somewhere else, but not Jamaica. You can't tell Jamaican. Only we can say that unless you know say them money are some bad man and them a come war or something, or unless you know the job you have there, them and them can't do. But now I'm going to say labor work. Because the man we have the trade say willing for the labor work people because they not work. But they still not give them the work. Uno too wicked and cruel. Free up man, Mr. Anjo. People wanna share this video, please. Make it reach to them. Make it reach to them, people. This is wicked and cruelness. Me feel it, people. Me feel it because I remember the days when me in the street of Jamaica too. And I look work and can't find work. It's not easy, people. No for we have it easy and we have it nice, people, but we don't understand what some people have got through. It's rough. And imagine people, people willing for work, you know. They don't want to go steal, they don't want to go thief. And this is the treatment we are going. John knows that they must sit like one brother tears to NEWLINK guys, you know. A wickedness them, man. How wonder if you tell Jamaicans say they can't. Jamaican people in our country. Yo, I be a sellout a go on, you know. I be a sellout a go on, you know. Yo, I'm one of the people that be a link me, you know. Want to link me, you know. I'm out to plan something, you know. Get serious with this thing, you know, because foolishness, this, you know. See? And respect to this, brother. Enough respect, enough blessings. You understand for the strength we give NEWLINK. You understand for the words that we are set to NEWLINK. Enough blessings for reach out to NEWLINK and make this thing go to light and NEWLINK. Put it to light, people. You understand? And we just want to share the video, people, and spread the word out the people. Tag who forget tag and let them see it. Because this is wickedness and this cruelness and this need to stop. There should be a pause on this right now. Cut off. Done. Finish. Okay. So you don't know the thing of yours and subscribers, man. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, people. And there are people giving thanks to life as usual. I understand. And I just pure blessings in the people and pure love. You get me as a people. And day by day, people, we just have to take it easy. Because we don't know what tomorrow may bring, people. You get me, I say? So, we have to just look out for brothers and look out for sisters. Especially in a time like now, people. You get me? Which we should not do every day of our life. But as I say, especially in a time like now, say if you never used to do it, make sure you do it now. Because it's not easy out the people. It's rough and it's tough and nobody not hard against the body. Everybody get tough and wicked. So you don't know, people. Enough love, enough respect, and peace, and big up. I'm out. Big up.